Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 41 how to download your own full IGTV video on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, make sure you have an IGTV account, and then we are ready to download your own video that you own to your mobile phone. So now we can go to the iPhone itself, navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram, make sure we are signed into the account, go to your profile, and there we see a video that was posted by myself, my own video that I usually post to YouTube. Click on the IGTV video, go to the right top corner, 3 dots, or watch the video itself on IGTV. Click the 3 dots, copy the link, go back to your iPhone homepage, go to repost, go to the left top corner of your screen where you see the 3 lines, search by URL, and now click on watch it. Click the right top corner of the screen, close, go back to your iPhone homepage, go to photos, and now we see my full video that I created for YouTube and then posted to IGTV. Has been downloaded to my phone. I own all the rights as I am the one that makes all these videos. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.